Hi everyone and welcome, and happy Memorial Day. Today we're going to have a special one. What we're going to be doing is cooking up a little over 5.5 pound roast leg of lamb. I've already put it on the spit, got it all tied up. So now we're going to give it some seasoning. We're going to give it some seasoning. This consists of 1 stick of unsalted butter, some salt, pepper, onion salt, garlic powder, I want to get this all nice and coated up. And we're going to be cooking this over our fire pit again, like we did yesterday with the chicken. Which, if you haven't seen that video yet, please check it out. It's alright, we got a little bit of extra left and we'll save that for later, and about halfway through the cook we'll give it another coating of some of this good flavor right here. We're also going to be cooking up, along with it, some smashed potatoes. I've already boiled up some little yellow potatoes, and what we're going to do here is take a little potato smasher and just push down on that slightly, give it about a ½ inch thick, like so. And what we're going to do with that is put some oil on them and some salt, pepper, cheese, Parmesan cheese, and we're going to make these real good. Alright, we're going to get this on the fire pit and get it started, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We have our lamb on the rotisserie and it's cooking. And we're going to be going for about an internal temperature of 140, 145, so that'll be about a medium. Right now we're going to do our smashed potatoes. We're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on them. Gonna need a little bit more oil there. Of course, we're going to be using our chosen oil. That's the oil we like. And now we got some. Sprinkle some of our topping on here. Alright, we're going to preheat our oven to about 400 degrees, and we're going to put this in for about 15 minutes. Also, we're also I may forgot. We're also going to be putting on some corn on the cob over our fire pit, and we're just going to cook it just like the way it is. All right, I like doing it this way, not removing the husk. I think it keeps it a lot nicer and tastier and juicy. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back, and everything is completed and finished. And here's our smashed potatoes. That's how they turned out. Here's our lamb. Looking pretty good. Let's say we cut into it and see how it is. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. A little bit of pink in there. Just right. Let me give it a little taste. This is perfect. How about a little taste of our smashed potato? Not bad also. Now for the last one. Let's try a piece of our corn. I know it doesn't look pretty on the outside, but once we open it up, there you go. Here it is. Look how perfect that looks. A perfectly good ear of corn. And it tastes great too. Alright everyone, that pretty much concludes our video for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful Memorial Day, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video. We're going to think of some more good ones to make for you. Alright everyone, have a great one, and God bless, and bye for now.